Hi guys, welcome to a short video about the question what you can do if your Chrome browser locks every now and then, let's say every couple of hours or every couple of days, 1 or 2 times or so. This happens to me currently, and I wanted to share the information what I have found so far, or what's actually advised, how to get a temporary relief or also permanent relief of that. So there are a couple of things which you have to know. First thing, you have to know how to invoke the task manager of Google Chrome. There's a task manager in Google Chrome. So to invoke the Chrome task manager, you have to press Shift and Escape in the same time. Of course, I'm just showing this thing here on this virtual keyboard, so you can see that Shift, you can start with Shift and then Escape at the same time. Now I'm doing this away, so I have to focus on the Chrome again, and you can see now it works. So yeah, this is the task manager of Chrome, and then you have to see what's consuming usually the most CPU here on top, and sometimes you can find some things and sometimes not. So unfortunately in a lot of situations you can't find anything, and sometimes also this Chrome task manager is locked and it won't show you anything. So but this is a possibility to get some fast relief, but because sometimes programs, when they realize that the task manager is running, then they free their resources, and then you can work again. You can also do this on higher level for Windows. Let's put this thing in the background. We have again the keyboard, and for the Windows Task Manager, I mean, there are more than half a dozen of different options. My favorite is the Control, Shift and Escape at the same time. Yeah, I don't know if you have been able to see that, but again, it's Control, Shift and Escape. Means Control here, Shift and Escape. So usually Control is in the bottom left corner. So usually this will then unlock the thing. Whatever is locking, it will unlock. I'm still not sure how this happens, but I think if a program is locking everything and they see that you are using a task manager, they don't want that you see which program it is causing the problem, and then they unlock, or maybe it's really a technical thing, I don't know, but usually it works when you're using that. Just try to remember this Control, Shift and Escape. This works in most of the cases, and you don't have to do anything here, so you can close this and you should be able to work again. But on the long run, of course, you need to solve the issue, and in 99% of the problems, when you have troubles with Google Chrome, then it's one of these plugins here, and you have to find out which one it is. It's sometimes very difficult. Most people say, yeah, just uninstall everything and then reinstall everything from scratch. Try one by one, maybe slowly. Yeah, try one, then 1 hour later, if you don't have problems, try next one, and so on, reinstall everything. But this can be a lot of work. And what I would do, I would check for everything what you don't need. I mean, over time usually you accumulate a lot of useless plugins here in Chrome, and then just make sure that you delete this thing. You can right click and then choose remove from Chrome, or you can also go to manage extensions. Here you can hit this arrow, and then you see everything what you have. You can also check for updates. Sometimes you can do updates here, sometimes this can also help, or you just disable these things here. You can activate and deactivate these things if you just want to check if maybe something is causing a problem. Just deactivate it for some time, and here you have some additional information, and maybe you'll find out that you don't need a couple of things, and then just remove them. Maybe this has already solved the issue. And the last thing which I highly recommend, if you have strange behavior on your computer, always go to the virus scanner. We hit just the Windows key and then type virus, and then we click on the virus protection here. And then instead of doing a quick scan, always go to the scan options. I mean, of course, only when you have time, or let's say you go to lunch or dinner or whatever, and there's enough time for the computer to run, because it needs a lot of resources. Do a full scan here and click on scan now, and it can run and check everything. Yeah, it's actually not even the last thing. There's one more thing here. You can go to Chrome settings, safety checks. If you don't know how to do that or how to find the thing, you can always go to settings and search for the things, or you just use the link which I provide down in the video description. Just click on that and you will get to this page, and there's a safety check here. Chrome can keep you safe from breaches, bad extensions and more, and you can click on this safety check here, and then it will run some checks here. You can see what it's doing, also passwords. I know there's a problem, but here extensions and everything will be checked, and also highly recommended. And this is definitely my last thing for today. Go to Chrome settings, clean up. Also, I'll provide this direct link down in the description for this. When you are here, there's a virus scanner. That's actually the one which I wanted to show you first. A built-in virus scanner in Google Chrome. You can scan the whole computer here. You click on find, and it will also run a full check like with the built-in Windows Defender thing. You get also this thing from for free from Google. Nice thing. Always very good advice to do that every now and then. Unfortunately, it's not run automatically. Yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.